I don't know why I heard that Biggie Small song. Big Papa. That song is about after Biggie passed away. So death. It could be a physical, a literal death, or this could be some sort of spiritual death, an ending, some sort of renewal, something closing out and something starting over again, or something like that. Let's see. What's happening? We got lover and we got divorce. Let's go and clarify this lover. So this lover card, I see an image of the lover's card. Gemini may be significant. Um, this might be some sort of soulmate of yours, some sort of kindred spirit or something like that. You know, someone that you may have known from a past lifetime or something like that. This also talks about you had to make a choice or having to make a choice in the matters of relationship or love. Let's go and grab one card for lover. Lover, please, spirit, for the divine space. Wait a minute. Too many. One card for lover for the divine space, family, friends, and collective. Okay. The first card that came out, number 33, is definitely significant here. I'm seeing compromise. It seems like there's an energy of somebody wanting to reconciliate, wanting some to come to some sort of agreement or you to reconsider, have some sort of some consideration or reconsider. I'm seeing somebody is actually number 33, and I'm seeing number 26, where somebody is focused towards their goals. Somebody's focusing on their purpose, is what I'm showing here. It looks like there's some sort of destination or something that somebody is looking to do. And it seems like somebody possibly cannot do that while being connected to whoever this person is. Now, if you take a look at this compromise card, it definitely is showing that there's another person in the mix. It's like a third party situation of something that's going on. Ah, clarify this compromise. What's going on? What happened? And place whatever way it needs to be placed. Energy is fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. Okay. What's going on? And I don't know if give my gratitude for likes, comments, shares, as well as subscribing. Okay. Gratitude for hitting that like buttons, leaving them comments, showing your girl some love. I'm gonna take those. Um. Oh. Okay. Quite a few cards came out. I'm gonna take these. Um. A mature male could definitely be significant here, number 5. This doesn't have to be an older male, even though the picture is displaying an older masculine with gray hair. That could definitely be significant. Or this could just simply be speaking about the maturity level of someone. Because as we all know, just because you're older and have gray hair doesn't make you mature. All right. So this could definitely be speaking of the maturity level of whoever this person is. Okay. Um, I'm definitely seeing that there is a peek behind the veil, is what I'm showing here. Spirit is revealing some things that are going on or going down within the spirit, is what I'm showing here. The things that are hidden, because in the back I just seen a peek of the moon, so it lets me know that there was some sort of secrets. There is some sort of illusion that spirit is revealing to you, and someone may have even, sent a prayer up. Somebody may have been praying. There's an energy of keeping some sort of faith, especially when it comes to things that are hidden to be revealed to you. All right. There's energy of someone keeping their mouth shut. Okay, maybe you've already was feeling something intuitively and you possibly wanted confirmation. So it seems like somebody's prayers are definitely powerful if you take a look at the hands as well. And I'm seeing that there's an energy of ascension here where you guys will be ascending. Okay, there's an energy of you guys being leveled up where you are required to stand in your power. Number 98 could be significant. All right. Yeah, it will require that you stand in your power and follow your purpose, which is talking about here where you guys possibly divorce this person and start heading on your own path, where regarding your purpose, your destination, your goals, and things like that. Maybe you were held back from some in regards to some sort of marriage. Okay, that's where this divorce is coming in. So it lets me know that you guys possibly have been married to this person. Okay. Now, if you weren't married, okay, I feel like you guys may have been together possibly more longer than 7 years. Okay, and wouldn't that be like common law marriage? So Either you're physically married or you've been together longer than 7 years is what I'm feeling here, okay? So let's go ahead and clarify this mature man. But yeah, somebody definitely wanting to compromise. They want to reconciliate. They want to come to some sort of agreement. You're like, absolutely not. I'm getting the heck on up out of here. Okay. This person could definitely be like someone that got some meat on their bones for me to saying, I always love you, Big Papa. Oh no. All right. And we could be definitely be speaking of a masculine or a feminine energy, even though it came out as a mature male, as we know. There are some feminine energies out here that, operate out of their masculine energy. So the first card that came out was the Fool. Okay, so there is definitely energy of someone taking a leap of faith in a different direction. Okay, excuse me. Yeah, we got Ten of Pentacles out here. There's a large lump sum of money here. Some sort of solid, focusing on some sort of solid foundation. Or you could be receiving some sort of money, some sort of deed. There's some sort of inheritance, possibly receiving a home or something like that. Or something might be going on with your business. Your energy is coming off very strong. You guys have a very strong, have strength, inner strength. That's what I'm showing here. Your energy overcomes, I'm seeing you overcoming a lot of self-doubt. There's an energy of you focusing. And I'm seeing the star, very spiritual. There's energy of healing here as well. Okay, I don't know if you are the mature man that is healing, or you may be healing from this mature masculine energy that you were in a connection with the Two of Cups partnership. There was definitely some sort of union. Okay, all right. Clarify the veil. Number 65. What's going on with this veil energy? What's going on with the veil? Now, the peak behind the veil is definitely showing that there is a fire sign here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but strong Aries. I'm seeing that there is a victory here where you guys will be overcoming some sort of obstacle. I am seeing energy of success. All right, I'm seeing a King of Pentacles energy out here as well. Strong Taurus, so it could be Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. It seems like there's definitely energy out here where someone is like focusing on business. All right, someone that's not a risk taker or something like that. Or don't necessarily have to be, but definitely Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo is definitely significant when it comes to this peak behind the veil. And I see that there is a new beginning in finances. Here you go. A new financial beginning. There's an energy of security. There's an energy of abundance and savings, prosperity. There's an energy of you guys receiving some sort of assistance here with this generosity, with the Six of Pentacles. Um, there's definitely an energy of authority, someone of some sort of authority here. Um, financially, I'm seeing someone watching, spying, being curious. So I don't know if someone is giving you money and they're watching you or something like that. Being curious about what you have, what you got going on, or something like that. Possibly will be seeing or looking at or seeing some sort of success here for you. Is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing you guys spend a lot of time to yourself. You're definitely coming out in this hermit. All right. I'm seeing you guys are definitely spiritually enlightened. All right. Definitely seeing solitude. Yeah, you might be like some sort of introverted type of energy as well. Um, clarify this faith. I'm seeing patience is the virtue. So there's definitely an energy of you guys being very patient out here. And we're moving over to the faith, which is faith of a mustard seed, which will require patience as well. Now, clarifying this faith energy is talking about a new beginnings, possibly some sort of new romance. You could possibly be like having some sort of faith in moving forward and finding someone that is actually for you. All right, praying for manifesting or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing a new beginning. I'm seeing an energy of happiness here and joy. All right, love. I see you guys maybe possibly socializing a lot more as well. Clarify this faith. Faith. They said that's the truth. The Ace of Swords out here clarifying that. I'm definitely seeing you guys maybe socializing a little bit more. I'm seeing you guys being a lot more happier these days. All right. Clarify this faith. Yeah, because it's talking about good news. All right. Energy of you guys being courageous. All right. You guys could possibly be young, a little younger. Not, and if you're not younger, I'm definitely seeing an energy of you guys possibly being some sort of speakers, inspirational speakers or something like that. Some sort of performers or having some sort of gift of performing or something like that from what I'm seeing here. All right. I'm seeing that there is an energy of loss, despair, grief, someone feeling guilty or experiencing some sort of regret because I'm seeing that there is some a breakup here due to betrayal. I'm seeing someone being removed out of your energy. Three of Swords, they cause some sort of heartbreak. They cause some sort of sadness. All right. Somebody could possibly have I'm sorry, water in their chart. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could very much be significant, is what I'm seeing here. And it seems like this person held a lot of secrets, caused a lot of illusions. And like I stated before, you guys could have definitely been married. Okay, here with the Ten of Cups, could definitely been married. Okay, long-term relationship, or possibly even had a family with one another. That's what I'm showing here. Or possibly a long-term relationship, like I stated before, 7 years or more, and you guys making a choice or some sort of choice or decision, or have made some sort of choice or decision to suddenly leave this person alone. Okay, there's an energy of you being relentless, especially when it comes to, like, withdrawing yourself, or your energy from whoever this person is. All right. Anything else for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Yeah, because I'm definitely seeing energy of you guys ascending. Yep, I'm seeing things happening definitely unexpectedly. At one point in time, you possibly felt restricted. You possibly felt stuck. You possibly felt trapped, when dealing with this person. But I'm seeing you freeing yourself or being free from the situation. With this divorce out here as well, I'm definitely seeing some sort of sudden changes, unexpected changes, things happening. All right, this tower moment is definitely, it speaks of divorce. All right. I see you guys standing in your own power. There's an energy of you being single, independent, successful, financially stable. And this person self-sacrificed themselves. There was an energy of them, self-sabotaging themselves out of the connection with you. I see them in regret, and you refusing the offer of even wanting to team up or coming together with them ever again, is what I'm seeing here. It's like you don't want anything else to do with them. You're ready to move on. All right. You're someone that pays close attention to detail as well. All right. It's like you seen some things, you probably like kept it in your back pocket for later on. All right. Is what I'm saying here. You're just simply focusing on your peace, your happiness, success, after getting out of some sort of situation where you possibly felt confined. You've learned or seen everything you need to learn or see. A lesson was definitely learned. You view things from a different perspective. And I'm saying, didn't I say something coming to an end? Didn't I say a death card or some sort of ending to a connection with a emperor, a father figure, a husband, or something like that? Is what I'm seeing here with this emperor energy. Anything else? Look, they're coming out as X, nostalgic energy. I'm seeing there's an energy of conflict. It may be some sort of, I'm seeing that there's arguments, disagreement, struggles, disappointment in the connection, in a traditional connection, in a marriage or something like that. You definitely got the Most High here. So things are happening in divine time. And you coming out as the Queen of Pentacles. That's what I'm showing here. Anything else? So Capricorn could be significant, or Capricorn towards Virgo. We even got an air sign out here. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius could definitely be significant as well. All right. And then we got the Two of Wands out here, where this person was treating someone as an option or having options. There's an energy of divided loyalty. And right behind that, right next to that, we got the Wand. Yeah, this person was sleeping with somebody else. And behind that, we got the Seven of Swords. Betrayal, deceit, lies, and cheating. I'm seeing a closing of a cycle with this person. The closing of a cycle, somebody withdrawing their energy. There's energy, you moving on and abandoning this person. Is what I'm seeing here. And this person trying to hold on. There's an energy of them trying to hold on. Very possessive, very, very controlling, very greedy. That's what I'm showing here. We got the Archangel Michael here protecting you, creating balance, and creating some sort of structure to the situation, and spiritually is what I'm showing here. As you guys continue to move forward, and pursue your purpose, go on your path, and ascend and fly, be a peacock. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love